Hello everybody, we're really excited to show you the new tax estimator that we have created to help business owners make a tax projection of how much they would owe for current year based on their current financial position. We recommend that you don't wait all the way till the end of the year, because if you owe huge tax balance without making sufficient estimated payments, what's gonna happen is underpayment penalties, interest, which it is inefficient, and as a business owner you definitely want to avoid that. And as soon as the screen pop up, it's gonna ask you what is your 1040 filing status, and then click next. Entity structure actually refers to how you set up your business. So once you select, so next thing is that it's going to actually show us various income type. Let's say the net profit is 100,000, and let's continue. Adjustments is if you have any above the line deductions. We're just gonna keep it simple in this example and we will skip. Now, qualified business income is the 20% discount that you will get if have a profit in your business, and below certain threshold you will get a 20% discount as a deduction. This estimator is going to show us an estimated tax liability, and as you can see, there's actually a range. What we're telling business owners is that we believe in effective tax planning simply because if you plan for taxes with correct strategies and with the correct entity structure, it is possible that your tax liability will drop down to just 13,000, or it could be even less.